Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, sir. I am Sadiq Ahmed. My ID is 201921004075. I want to start my presentation. Here is integrated marketing communications. Integrated marketing communications is the process of conveying a unified message across a variety of channels to drive higher customer engagement for a company's product and solutions. Integrated marketing communication is a concept under which a company carefully integrates and coordinates its many communications channels to deliver a clear of consistent message. It aims to ensure the complementary use to media. INC is an integration of all marketing tools. These approaches and resources within a company which maximizes impact on the consumer mind, resulting in maximum profit at minimum cost. The first integrated marketing communication example that comes to mind is GoPro. GoPro has used IMC components extensively and preciously. Then I discuss elements of promotional mix. When we need to promote our large modern business or organization, we want to engage in persuasive communication. We want to convince others to buy from our business or organization. We must select the right promotional strategy to capture the mind and attention to the right group of potential customers in a capable yet catchy way. Educated them about organizations, product or service. Influence customer to buy our organization product. A promotional mix A is a allocation of resources among six primary elements. That is advertising, direct marketing, internet marketing, sales promotions, publicity, and personal selling. Here, the advertising. Advertising is any paid from media communication. This includes print, also in magazines, trade journals, and newspapers, radio and TV announcements, web-based visibility building, and billboards advertising is non-personal promotional activity because the seller has no direct contact with the potential customer during the communication process. Advertising also help introduce target market to new products, new product features, and new applications. This marketing remind our target market of products, features, benefits, and availability. Direct marketing, a form of advertising aimed directly to target customers that ask to receivers to take action such as ordering a product, clipping a coupon, phoning a troll number free, etc. are common forms of direct marketing. Next is internet marketing. Internet marketing is online-based advertising, which is soaring as more people log onto the internet Creating a website for our business can help educated non-consumer socialize feedback and provide online service. But don't expect web presence to build companies exposure. Sales promotion. Sales promotion are marketing activities that provide extra value or incentives to sales force distributors. Then we want to discuss about the public relation with effective public relation increase sales through favorable non-paid media coverage and enhance companies' emails. Personal selling. Personal selling also a humanness to selling. Sales representatives do what advertisements do. Inform, persuade, or remind. Next slide is targeting. Having dividend the market into segments, manager must decide which segment will be best to target given the firm's overall objects. Normally, managers would choose the most profitable segment. Here is some criteria like measurable, substantial, accessible, differentiable, and actionable. Now we want to discuss about positioning. Positioning is the act of designing the company's offering the image to occupy distinct place in the minds of the target market. It is vital for a company and it come to all be same page within the brand positioning strategy. Then we want to discuss about the marketing and promotion process model. In marketing process, how marketing and promotions process model work in the section process mean some steps of works. If we need to marketing and promotions, we need to follow some steps. Firstly, we need to find out opportunity, and secondly, we need to find out competitiveness analysis, and thirdly, target marketing. First, we identify the market, then we segment our market and select that as a target market and position that in the marketing strategies. Then we need to product decisions and pricing decisions and how we it distribute in our market. In promotional sections, we can use advertising, direct marketing, interactive marketing, and publicity and personal selling. Then we reach our product to our consumers or business organization, etc. Then I want to discuss about the arguments for growing importance of IMC. Um, from the media advertising to multiple from the customers communication, mass media to more specialized which are centered around a specific target audience, from general focus advertising and marketing database, from low agency accountability to greater agency accountability, particularly advertising. Traditional compensation to performance-based compensation. Then we want to discuss about the reasons of losing clients of an agency. There has some reasons like poor performance, poor communications, unrealistic demand by the client, personality conflict, conflicts of internet, etc. And now I want to discuss marketer position by attributes and benefits, by price and quality, by use or applications, by product class, by product users and competitors. And now I want to discuss about pricing consideration. Pricing must be consistent with perception of the product. Higher price communicate higher product quality. Low price reflect bargain or value perceptions. A product position as highly quality while carrying lower price than competitors will confuse customers. And at the moment, I want to discuss activities performed by sales promotion agencies, promotional planning, and creative work to research, type in coordination, fulfillment, premium design, and manufacturing, catalog production, contest management. And thank you for listening my presentation.